How to make group admin on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to make group admin on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. First launch WhatsApp and head to the chat section. Once done, you need to open group chat. Now navigate to profile at top of your screen. Scroll down and here you can easily see members. So make sure in order to add group admin on WhatsApp, you must be admin of that particular group. Now you can long press on particular person or user and then tap on make group admin. And at the right hand side, you can easily see group admin written. That means we have successfully added WhatsApp group admin. So in this way, you can easily make group admin on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.